What's the best way to communicate with all my new leads? Hi, this is Eliot from Workload. In this video, we'll be building a workflow starting with a new lead or opportunity in Odoo. Then we'll be taking the information from that lead in order to add a contact on a list in Mailchimp. All right, let's build a workflow. So we're going to start here at the workload editor. And we're going to give our workflow a title. So this is going to be new lead in Odoo to Mailchimp. And we're going to click inside of our trigger box. And we're going to select Odoo ERP self-hosted as our app. And the event is going to be new lead or opportunity. Make sure we're connected to Odoo. We're going to select the database that this lead is in, our workload 2. And we're going to test our trigger. So we found a new lead. So I'm going to go ahead and click continue. And for our action, we're going to find Mailchimp. And our event is going to be add or update a contact on a list. So make sure we're connected to Mailchimp. The audience, which is the mailing list that we want to add this contact to, is our workload mailing list. The email of that contact is going to come from our trigger, cutiholes@email.com. For the status, we're going to say that this person is subscribed to our mailing list. For their first name, so when I click inside of the first name box and I go to our drop-down menu, I see that our contact name is just one output. And so we need to split that in two. Add a step, click inside that box, Tools, AI Formatter, Format Data. Come to our drop-down menu and select the contact name. And then I'll say split into first name and last name. Click continue, test action. All right, so now we have a first name and a last name. Click continue, come back to Mailchimp, jump down to that step 4, come down to the first name, get that from our step 2, our formatted data. Find the first name, cut them. Last name, Nick Eyeholes. Birthday. So in order to create a contact in Mailchimp, it requires you to input a birthday. But that is not normally a part of the information you put in when you're creating a lead in Odoo. So you either can just make up a fake birthday that you type in here, like January 1st, and it'll assign all of your contacts from Odoo with that same birthday. Or within Odoo, in the notes section, which is here, the description, I typed the date of this birthday, which is March 11th. So I can try and pull that out, and so that the birthday can be added to our Mailchimp mailing list. That would only work if you knew the birthday of your lead and typed it in to the notes area, which is here, the notes area of Odoo. So we'll try that out. But again, you could just type in any birthday and it would just assign that birthday to all of your contacts on this list. We'll try and have fun and pull that out. So I'm going to click and add a step again. We'll go to our tools, our AI formatter, format data. This time we're going to go to step 1 and find that description section. I'm going to say pull out the date and convert to month, day format. We'll see if that works. You see here March 11th is the date. And it did. It found the date and it converted it to the proper format. The wonders of AI. Click continue. Come back to Mailchimp. Go down to our action step. Birthday, that's going to come from that step 3. And you're going to find the format that Mailchimp wants. We don't have an address. I think I can just leave that blank and that will be fine for Mailchimp. It doesn't require there to be an address. I could also put the address in the notes section and that might have worked. We do have a phone number. And then when we're creating a new contact, we put the email address in there a second time. Click continue. We'll test this action. And it looks like we have a success. You can scroll down to the bottom. Click continue. You can look over at Mailchimp and we can reload our contacts. And we have our new contact of Cut on McEyeholes has been added to our list. So I have a successful workflow. I come back to the workload editor and I can activate my workflow. And now every time a new lead is created in Odoo, it'll automatically format the response so that it can be imported as a new contact in Mailchimp. That's how you can use Workload to automate adding a contact to a list in Mailchimp whenever you have a new lead in Odoo. Please join the Workload community by commenting on this video with any questions you might have or suggestions for other videos. You should also like this video and click here to subscribe to our channel, or click here to get more content from Workload about how to make your business practices flow more smoothly. And I'll see you next time.